What if the secret to becoming a billionaire wasn't about luck, inheritance, or genius, but about what you do every single day? These aren't flashy tricks or overnight hacks. They're consistent habits practiced by the richest people on the planet. And surprisingly, most of them cost nothing. If you're fascinated by the insane luxuries of the ultra-rich, leave a comment and tell us, what kind of billionaire comparisons or outrageous luxury items do you want to see next? We might feature your idea in the next video. Becoming a billionaire might seem like an impossible dream for most, but those who reach that level of success tend to share something powerful in common: daily habits. While they may come from different industries, countries, or backgrounds, billionaires often build their fortunes and their legacies on the same foundational routines. In this video, we're going to explore the top 5 daily habits that billionaires have in common, and how these small, disciplined choices shape his massive wealth. Habit number 1, they wake up early, very early. Most billionaires are up before the sun. Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple, starts his day at 3:45 a.m. Richard Branson is up by 5 a.m., and Oprah Winfrey has long advocated for a peaceful morning routine. The reason? Early mornings are quiet, focused, and distraction-free, the perfect time for deep thinking, planning, or simply gaining a calm start on the world. Waking up early gives them control over their day, not the other way around. Habit number 2, they read a lot. Warren Buffett once said he spends 80% of his day reading. Bill Gates is known to finish about 50 books a year. Whether it's newspapers, business reports, biographies, or philosophy, billionaires are addicted to learning. They understand that the more you know, the better you can make decisions, and decision-making is the superpower of wealth creation. Reading isn't just a hobby for them, it's strategic information acquisition. Habit number 3, they prioritize health and fitness. Many people imagine billionaires as constantly working, but the truth is, health is wealth. Jeff Bezos lifts weights. Elon Musk has personal trainers. Richard Branson says staying active boosts his productivity dramatically. Physical exercise improves mood, brain performance, and stamina. Most importantly, it builds discipline, a trait central to any successful entrepreneur. They invest in their bodies the same way they invest in businesses. Before we continue with our list, I would like you to know that this channel is just getting started, and what's coming in next videos will blow your mind. From cars more expensive than private jets to rare luxury items only the world's wealthiest have ever seen. We're taking you deep inside the billionaire lifestyle. So if you want a front row seat to a world of outrageous comparisons, elite services, and the most exclusive luxuries on earth, subscribe now and join us on this journey into pure extravagance. Habit number 4, they practice daily goal setting. Whether written in a notebook or stored in an app, billionaires obsessively track their goals. From daily to-do lists to long-term visions, they know exactly what they're working toward. Elon Musk breaks his entire day into 5-minute blocks. Oprah uses vision boards. These people don't drift, they design. Having a clear focus gives their actions purpose, and that focus compounds over time. Ordinary people work hard. Billionaires work with direction. Habit number 5, they guard their time like gold. Time is the one resource even billionaires can't buy more of. That's why they're ruthless about how they spend it. They delegate, they automate, they say no constantly. Warren Buffett once said, the difference between successful people and really successful people is that really successful people say no to almost everything. Billionaires structure their schedules to avoid wasting time, and they protect their attention like it's their most valuable asset. So what can we learn from all this? Billionaires don't rely on luck or motivation, they rely on systems. These habits might seem simple, but the consistency is what makes them powerful. You don't need $1 million bank account to start. Waking up early, reading, working out, writing goals, or managing your time better. You just need the will to begin. And maybe that's the real secret. Billionaire success doesn't start with money. It starts with mindset. And don't forget, if you like extreme luxury and following the world of the super rich, subscribe to the channel. Here, the impossible is just the beginning. I'll see you on the next video. Bye.